Hello and welcome to Farm Matters. In this tutorial we'll be looking at the cattle kill sheets. If I begin by choosing the cattle tab at the top of the screen and then past events and go down to sales, this will bring up a list of all the previous sales. If I right click, I can then choose kill sheet. You can see there are various options. You can input using fixed format from the list of suppliers, although suppliers do sometimes change the format. If this is the case, you can use the generic CSV file to import. If I choose that and then choose the file and click open, you'll be then taken to this screen. If I then choose ear tag as my primary ID in this example, and then you can fill in as many of the columns below as you wish by matching the columns to the file sample on the right hand side. So for example, for kill number, we can choose kill number. At the bottom we have price amount, which I will choose as value, and then the price type as animal. We can then click next. This will then bring up the animals into a mini grid. As you can see on the left hand side, we have white boxes or pink boxes. White indicates a matching sale has been found for that animal, and pink means there is no corresponding sale found for that animal. You do have two options at this point. You can delete the animal by using the bin on the right hand side, or you can click in the box where there's a magnifying glass to search for the animal you're looking for. In this instance, I'm searching for the animal which has the ear tag number ending 2729. If we then click search, as you can see, the animal has now been found and has replaced the incorrect animal in the mini grid. You can either choose save, which will commit the data to your records. If you want, you can choose save and edit, which we will do in this example. As you can see, the animals have now been brought into a new mini grid where you can change the information as is required. You can then save the information if you are happy. Hopefully, some of the things you have watched will help you maximize your use of the program. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and click the